So I had also touched upon certain things called value proposition canvas. If you look at it, this is not just the only canvas. There are many such canvases, but for everyone to be on the same page, we will be using this kind of a canvas. So basically, it is about the customer. You'll find that it is about the customer, or the first, or you may say the first person, or the most important person who would actually want your product, or try to buy your product because of his needs. Now it's divided into wants, fears, and needs, and basically about understanding what substitutes he has. So you may be proposing something, but he may not want it. So last year, I'll just give you an example. This was a failure mode from even from our side. When we were selecting teams, we came to know that most of the teams were integrating stuff. But if you look at it, there was nothing special which stands out. That was a very big issue, because uh, there'll be n number of electric vehicles in the market. What is it that will make your vehicle stand out? You should be knowing about it more. You should be knowing why your vehicle is different than all the other things. Is it something to be done with the battery? Is it something done with the way the material is of the battery is, or what is it? So you need to know more on these stuffs. So uh, so if you look at the product part of it, it is more about benefits, features, and experience. And most important is the experience. If you are touching the customer emotionally, your product will sell 101%. It is like that. You need to have a emotional connect with your customer. So you just keep on asking why. It is not just five whys, but you can ask n number of whys to understand. The moment you touch the emotional connect, I'll just give you an example. Portico is a company which provides medical support to people, basically having some kind of so you can actually basically what you can do is that you can actually ask them to send you a nurse who would look after a patient, something like that. The emotional connect is when the person doesn't have to stay at home and look after the patient. Instead, he's able to go out and mm, get some job. All these things are important. So this is the case where you have to understand that you have to connect with the customer emotionally first. You need to first understand the customer emotionally, and then whatever product you are making, you have those features in the product. So we go to the next the slide, which is about the lean canvas. I think yeah, this is the blank lean canvas that we have. And you were seeing something on the customers who are the early adopters. In If you look at the first block which is there, that was the area that comes out through the value proposition canvas. Basically, you are able to identify who the early adopters are. Because you want to scale the business little by little, you should be able to identify who are the first persons who would take your product. It's a small increment. You will keep on incrementing your features, and you will get to the final product. So these are the eight, you may say, blocks which have to be sequentially filled. You will also find that near the customer there is one small red button, kind of a camera button over there. That's basically a video. If you click that, if you actually click that, you will be able to see a video which tells you about what should be filled inside each of these boxes. So it is as simple as that. So you don't have to worry on that. Everything is told to you. And for your even better understanding, we go to the next slide. Yeah, this is a actual lean canvas which was made for an autonomous vehicle. You understand the importance of the solution right away with this? It is you'll see that everything is written in very crisp manner to remove human intervention in fire rescue operations. Safe and efficient transportation with autonomous systems is the problem that they are doing. Now this thing can have more things So human risk involved in navigation is also a use case for COVID-19. So these guys are actually, if they are going to bring this product out with the incubation support which they were provided with, they are the people who would start a very different kind of a business in this situation, because they already have the solution. You If you look at the final 30, they are supposed to be real working prototypes. So these people, they already have a prototype which works, and these are the people who can now take this business to another level. So you have to understand what is the difference between all the other things and Sparkle, all the different available contests, and what is different in Sparkle. So this is the difference that is available.